What's up, folks? This is a video for my friend Chris Ravenwolf. He's talking about this set, the Skybird set today. Mine are terrible, like beater binder versions, but they're gorgeous cards. 1933, I believe. So I'm going to do a little quick video. There's some great cards in here. Chris, you had asked how many were just planes, so I'll try to count as we go. A couple of the cool guys. I don't know how to say the French names, but Rene Funk is great, like superstar. Ballot Ball. Garros is a good one. Not a good card necessarily. Like, I don't think that one has a tremendous amount of value over the other. That's what they look at on the back. But just, you know, kind of cool stories. I loved the World War I guys when I was a kid. And this is not all World War I guys. Immelman, he was a good ace. But a lot of the set is like World War I aces, and I freaking love them. That's the Red Baron. We got Rickenbacker there. He's the #1 American ace. Gunemir, I think, is the #1 French ace. Bishop is Canadian. Super good ace. And there's some like explorers and guys in here too, right? Lindbergh. Willie Coppins. The colors are just so cool. So, oh, let me go back. So is this our first plane, Chris? Let's see. Yeah. So our first plane, we got 1, 2, just straight planes. I love that card. That's like so like 1930s style. 4, another just straight plane. I'm not even looking at names now. Oh, there's Amelia Earhart. That's a cool one. Bolk. Oswald Bolk. He's another great German ace. I'm going to lose count on the planes, Chris. You're going to have to do it with me. 3. I think we're at 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Love the guy in the turban. It's great. I don't know him. 11, I think, right? Missing one. 12, 13, 14. Roy Brown, that's the one that we think maybe shot down the Red Baron, maybe. Look at that guy. Hanging out of his plane, firing a pistol, that's cool. 14 is that where we're at. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Some of mine are really bad. That's a just gorgeous card. 20, 21, 22, 23. Missing another one. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I told you, like, they tend to be toward the end of the set. 29. All right. Then I've got, like, I like aviation cards. These are nothing in this binder is worth that much. Maybe the Richtofen and maybe the Earhart is worth a few bucks, but and that's a what, T218, I think. These are cool. Topps Magic cards, 1948. So tiny. That's the first Topps issue. I don't even know what most of this stuff is, to be honest with you. But they're cool. I'm gonna flip fast here at the end. I like that too. Like, it's like, I don't know what issue that is either, but like that's so like 50s art to me. So there you go. There's some aviation. I have some other stuff too that I haven't put in yet, but it's cool. Let's go back. Last ditch. There's the Red Baron. And we'll go with the American to end it off. And we'll go with we'll go with the Brit. We'll go with the Brit. That'll end it. There we go. See ya.